To add add-ons on Stremio, follow these steps. Open Stremio. Launch the Stremio app on your computer or device. Access the add-ons section. On the main interface, look for the add-ons button located in the top menu bar. Click on it to open the add-ons library. Browse or search for add-ons. In the add-ons library, you will see various categories like movies, TV shows, sports, and more. You can browse these categories or use a search bar to find specific add-ons. Select an add-on. Click on the add-on you want to install. Some popular add-ons include YouTube, Netflix, Twitch, and others. Each add-on has a brief description that explains what content it provides. Install the add-on. After selecting the add-on, click the Install button. Stremio will automatically download and install the add-on for you. Start using the add-on. Once the add-on is installed, it will appear in your library. You can now use it to stream content directly within the Stremio app. Manage add-ons. You can also manage, update, or uninstall add-ons through the add-ons section if needed.